And now we have the opener for the video. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Moto vlog here. It is Saturday, May 22nd, and we are going riding for the first time at a, we'll call it a real track. So it's a mess in here, as you can see. We're super busy at the shop. But got my bike here, changed the oil in it last night, fresh air filter, it's pretty much ready to go. Kids' loaner bike here, got a fresh air filter, full of gas, full of oil. That is also ready to go. Look at this right here. So, as you see, the ground is wet, 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 wet. Oh, wait. There's a tree. It's not wet. Anyway, it's good that it rained a little bit. Put some moisture in the track. We are going to get loaded up here. 3 bikes. I can't wait for my trailer. August, we get my trailer. Cannot wait, so I can have this all loaded up and we don't have to worry about this. But I'm gonna stuff 3 bikes in the back of the truck, all the gear, cooler, everything. It's gonna be hot today. It's supposed to be like 85 and humid. Off we go. We're loaded. We have all 3 bikes. Pit bike for mom, big bike for dad, small bike for the kiddo. We are packed in here like the Beverly fucking Hillbillies pretty much at this point. I am so happy we are getting a trailer. All right, everybody ready to go? First track day. First track day. Okay, nobody else is. All right. Mom, are you excited over there or what?
So excited.
You should be.
So excited.
I got the pitter loaded for you.
Oh yeah, I'm so excited.
Mom, I'm gonna need you to pep up a little bit, okay?
So excited.
You see how excited the kid is?
Stop, reverse, rewind. Mama needs sunglasses.
Okay. Made it out here. Dirt bikes. We are set up. Hold on. We're set up by the mini track here. She is getting dressed. What do you need help with? Put your socks on. You are 6, almost 7 years old. You can put your old socks on. Mom is freezing to death. It's only 80 degrees and 100% humidity, and she's cold. I think she's dying. No big deal. It's fine. Y'all like that sick stand, the milk crate? Yeah, it's great. Yep. Goggles. So we got the kid going on the mini track there. She's gone down once already. There's this weird kind of like off camber turn. You go up a hill and then come down. It's kind of off camber. It's really small, but throws her off a little bit. So, but other than that, she's doing great. I got the bike warming up. I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna go ride my warm-up moto here because in 3 minutes we got big bike practice again on the big track. So I'm gonna go do that, and then we'll come back and see how the kid's doing. Careful.
Hey, slow and steady, you got it?
Yep. warm-up there is done. Kind of sad, I did not turn my watch on when I started. Kiddo apparently has been riding this whole time. She's just coming off the track now. So we'll see how this goes, what she thought. I felt okay. The track's a little rough. We need to read the suspension Bible and figure out how to set the bike up so that we, it's like it's rebounding really hard, so it's really jolty. How was that? Stand up. There you go. How was it? Yeah? Did you crash again?
No, that was a little kid.
Huh?
That was a little kid who crashed.
Yeah. No, she didn't crash.
Good job, Mom.
I didn't know.
Sorry, babe.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Let me see. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Now to get to the starting line.
There you go. Have a good time.
Easy. And just pay attention, okay?
Yep. Have fun. Alright, quick update. It's getting busier out here. Sun's come out. It's getting hotter out here. I'm gonna ride once more. And then I'm done. Gotta do a full 20-minute moto here. I've got 16 minutes till I gotta start. right, well, that was a successful first track day, eh, Ma?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Pop.
I feel good.
Ellie did incredible.
She did great.
I mean, she must have put in 40 laps or more. I have no
I
idea.
say, she did
I lost
1,000
track.
laps. Dad did 15. So we're good to go. Now it's time for a little bit of lunch, a nap for sure, and then some honey-do lists. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. Family that rides together stays together, right? All right? No?
Except for I don't ride.
I mean, you putt the 110. You're all right. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, everybody. We will see everybody on the next one.